Okay, I'm working on an old Zebco 404 reel. I bought this at, I think, a yard sale. Still works fine, the drag works good and all that type of jazz, but the handle is loose. Like basically the handle spindle is loose. So by looks of it, they pressed it in. So here's the fix for it. If you have a loose handle, like if you can move your handle, you know, if it spins proper, that's good. But if it's loose on the, if it can move this way or this way, then you want to basically put it in on the vise, something flat and metal. Get yourself a punch that fits in there. Nice, you know, metal punch, flat punch. This one's a little bit, should be filed down flatter, but just for example. And the good old hammer. And just give me a second here. Hit it like that, right in there, so that it flattens down. And so there you go. That's how you do it, and it still spins freely, and everything's good. So there you go. That's how to fix a sloppy handle on a Zebco, loose handle on a Zebco 202, 404, 808, whatever. Use it. Any reel that has a wonky, wobbly handle that's not tight. So you put her down flat on something, put your punch in the hole, and just crack it with a hammer real good. So, and that's what you get. There's a factory one. So by rights, in factory, they made this metal, basically nail or spindle, knob spindle, a little bit longer so they could press it over to make it a tight fit. You probably also could put it in the vise after, just for safety measures, this way. So you're going to put it in between the vise just so it's pinching the end, and just tighten it just a little bit, and then give it a crack, because then it would kind of squeeze that. So that's the fix. So there you go. Nice solid handles again. Put her back on the reel. And nice easy fix for an old reel. These reels are just great. They're really well made. And that's it. Hope that helps somebody out with their fishing reel. This will work for basically any fishing reel that's an older style that has these handles that are, if this is loose, if it can move up and down this way, and it's not supposed to, like a little bit there, that's okay. But if your end piece is moving in there, punch her down.